Hey Dazzlers, welcome back to my channel. So if you follow my second channel, then you saw me pick up these really beautiful silver plastic containers from my local Goodwill. It turns out these were plastic vodka bottle sleeves or covers that were made several years ago as a promotional item, and there were 11 of them at my local store. In today's video, I show you how I turn some of these old plastic bottles into beautiful glam home decor. So if you're interested, then just keep watching. These plastic sleeves have a twist-off cap and could be opened to insert the vodka bottle inside. For these projects, I'm using a hot knife tool that I picked up from Michael's some time ago. I carefully removed one of the tops from one of my plastic bottles. I used the hot knife to cut about halfway through the bottle, and then I used my garden shears the rest of the way. Using the hot knife more would have melted the bottle more than I wanted, so the shears will help me get the clean cut I'm looking for. I used a Dollar Tree sanding sponge to smooth my rough edges, and then a strong adhesive to permanently seal my pieces together. I later realized that I should have removed the plastic hinge from my bottle before I permanently glued the larger piece together. So here I'm using my hot knife to remove most of that hinge. I then used a strong adhesive to attach my bottle top to the bottom of my container. I then used small amounts of hot glue to attach some of this decorative trim that I picked up from Hobby Lobby on sale. I also attached this acrylic gem that I already had at home to my container as well. To complete the project, I added a Dollar Tree glass vase to add some weight. I also added more trim along the top, and here's the finished look. For project number 2, I used 4 more plastic containers. I again used my hot knife and garden shears to remove the top from my first bottle. I then removed the top and the bottom from bottle number 2 and bottle number 3. And just the bottom from bottle number 4. For this project, I'm using hot glue to permanently close the bottles instead. I then used a strong adhesive and a small amount of hot glue to stack the bottles together, starting with bottle number 1 on the bottom. I added a thin line of hot glue along the outside of the bottles to help hold them in place until the E6000 fully dried. To cover the separation of my bottles, I'm using some of these Dollar Tree mosaic stickers that I had left over. I don't have the original packaging for these, but here's what those stickers look like in the color gold. I don't know that they're still available at Dollar Tree, but they are on Amazon, so I'll leave a link to a similar item in the description box below. I then took the bottom pieces from bottle number 4, used E6000 to permanently glue them together, and then I placed this piece on the very bottom of my design. I then allowed my design to dry overnight. The following day, I added some of this diamond trim to the neck of my design, added some gold branches, and here's the finished look. For project number 3, I'm using the leftover bottle tops from project number 2. And there you have it, Dazzlers. 3 beautiful glam home decor projects using Goodwill plastic bottles. I have 6 more bottles. What would you do with them? Let me know down in the comments. I would love to hear from you. I hope you enjoyed this week's video. If so, please like, comment, and share. And if you're new to my channel, please subscribe and be sure to turn on your notifications so that you don't miss my next video. Remember, I upload new videos every single week. So until next time, Dazzlers, bye.